This is the 2-person or the 2-serving sized George Foreman grill. You can see by this thing that I have used it a lot. I really like this. I'm a huge fan of this product. It's perfect if you don't have a lot of counter space or not a ton of space in your kitchen. Like I said, it's the 2 servings, so perfect for cooking for 2. You can see it's got these kind of the slanted grill design, but that makes the grease and oil and everything slip off into the catch plate. And so it's able to cook very lean. It also, I believe they come in other colors. This is obviously the black, but it's the original. Works really well. It's super easy to clean. I just sponge it off with some soap and then wipe it down. It's just comes clean really quickly and easily, and then it can cook, you know, chicken breasts, hamburgers, hot dogs. I even will use it as kind of a panini and cook sandwiches in there, and it can do them really quickly and neatly. So overall, just been really happy with this product. It's been a great purchase and I've used it a ton.